Did you know that while you sleep, your body goes into full restoration mode? But here's the kicker. There's a tiny overlooked seed that can actually help your body fight disease, burn fat, improve digestion, and even supercharge your sleep while you rest. Millions of people worldwide suffer from diabetes, insomnia, obesity, and poor gut health. But what if something as simple as eating a spoonful of the seed before bed could help tackle all of these issues? We're talking about chia seeds, tiny but mighty. And today, we're diving deep into the shocking health benefits of eating chia seeds at night. We'll also show you how to take chia seeds the right way, how much to consume, and how long it might take to see results. But first, a reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. So, grab your notepad and let's dive into the science-backed benefits of eating chia seeds at night. 1. Aids in weight loss in the evening. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which expands in your stomach to form a gel-like substance. This helps you feel full longer and reduces late-night cravings. By consuming chia seeds before bed, you're less likely to snack or wake up hungry, which can significantly reduce your overall calorie intake. But it gets better. Chia seeds regulate blood sugar, preventing spikes that can trigger hunger. They also contain high-quality protein, which helps preserve lean muscle while promoting fat loss. Over time, this can lead to a reduction in belly fat, improved metabolism, and better hormonal balance, especially for those struggling with stubborn nighttime cravings. 2. Improves digestion and gut health. Chia seeds act like a gentle brush for your intestines. With over 10 grams of fiber per ounce, they help keep your digestive system moving. They also act as prebiotics, feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome supports better nutrient absorption, improved immunity, and even mental health. Taking them at night allows for a slower, more thorough digestion process, leading to reduced bloating, constipation, and gas by morning. 3. Promotes better sleep. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate sleep and relaxation. Plus, their protein and fiber keep you feeling satisfied all night, reducing the chances of waking up hungry or restless. Soaked chia seeds help your body maintain a calm, relaxed state as you drift off to deep, restorative sleep. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Chia seeds slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream thanks to their high fiber and gel-forming ability. This helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, especially useful for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. By consuming them at night, you help reduce overnight glucose spikes, stabilize insulin levels, and avoid that dreaded morning crash. 5. Hydrates the body overnight. Soaked chia seeds can hold up to 12 times their weight in water. This helps keep your body hydrated while you sleep. Overnight hydration supports joint function, skin elasticity, and cellular repair. It also helps with nutrient transport and detoxification. 6. Reduces inflammation. Chia seeds are rich in ALA omega, 3 fatty acids and antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, arthritis, and many autoimmune disorders. Eating chia seeds at night helps the body recover and reduce internal swelling during sleep. 7. Supports heart health. Chia seeds help lower LDL bad cholesterol, raise HDL good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides, all of which contribute to a healthy heart. Their combination of fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants supports overall cardiovascular function and helps reduce plaque buildup in arteries. 8. Helps prevent acid reflux. When soaked, chia seeds form a mucilaginous gel that creates a protective lining in the stomach. This helps prevent acid from traveling back up the esophagus, reducing symptoms of acid reflux and heartburn. Unlike antacids, chia seeds support long-term digestive healing. 9. Supports bone health. Chia seeds are a plant-based powerhouse of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential for strong bones. They even contain boron, which helps your body absorb and utilize these minerals. Taking chia seeds at night provides your bones with raw materials during their natural repair cycle. 10. Detoxifies the body. Chia seeds help flush out toxins through their high fiber content, supporting regular bowel movements and liver function. Their antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals that cause cellular damage and aging. Overnight, this supports deep internal cleansing. 11. Strengthens immunity. Loaded with zinc, selenium, and iron, chia seeds help your immune system produce white blood cells and antibodies. Eating them at night gives your immune system a nutritional boost right when it produces the most infection-fighting cells during sleep. 12. Improves sexual health. Chia seeds support sexual health by improving blood flow, hormone production, and stamina. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats, all of which support testosterone and estrogen balance. Regular consumption can boost libido and energy, especially when your body regenerates hormones overnight. 13. May help prevent cancer. Chia seeds contain lignans and antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress and DNA damage. They've been linked to a lower risk of hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer. Eating them at night allows your body to absorb these compounds while repairing cells. How to take chia seeds at night for maximum health benefits. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add to a glass of water, almond milk, or coconut water. Let soak for 20 to 30 minutes or overnight. Stir well and drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You can also make a simple chia pudding by mixing with yogurt or plant milk and leaving it in the fridge. Add lemon, cinnamon, or honey to enhance flavor and benefits. Avoid eating them dry. Always soak chia seeds first to avoid choking and improve digestibility. How much chia seeds to take at night? Start with 1 tablespoon per night. If your body responds well, you can increase to 2 tablespoons. Always increase water intake alongside chia seeds, and begin with smaller portions if you're new to fiber-rich foods. When you eat chia seeds at night, your body benefits while you rest, from weight loss and blood sugar balance to stronger bones and improved immunity. The results won't come overnight, but with consistency, you'll see real changes. You might wake up feeling lighter, more energetic, and more focused. So go ahead, try it tonight. Try chia seeds for the next 7 to 14 nights and observe how your body responds. Let us know your experience in the comments section. Share this video with friends and family who need this information. Like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips. And always remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Talk to your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes. Now go enjoy your chia seed drink and sleep your way to better health.